Good morning, everyone. Wait, let me. Everyone, you can unmute and wish.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you? Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Fine, beta. How are you all? Everybody fine? Okay, I have got the responses. Now, I hope everybody is here now. Everybody has joined. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, can you please send through the chat fast what words we have read yet, like what vocabulary words I have given you? Start sending fast. We have 2 minutes for it. Okay, everybody, I got your good morning messages. Arohi, Soumya, Akshat, everybody. Yes, very good. Adorable, Mysore, good. Scrumptious. Are you using these words? Very good. Only some people are sending. Yes, passionate. Good. What else? Affable. Acha, tell me, are you using these words? Very nice. Few more. Only 2-3 words repeatedly I am getting. And the spelling of passionate is wrong. Anshdeep. Reveal. Spelling of reveal is also wrong. Anshdeep. Yes, disclose. Reveal. Good. Any more? Fast. Okay, fine. So now today I'm imitate. Spelling of imitate is wrong. Spelling of imitate. Ma'am, you are looking details. Okay, spelling of imitate was wrong. Spelling of imitate is IMITATE. Okay, sound. Do take care of sounds. Yes, frown. Right. Frown. Right. Okay, what else? Okay, we are done with the previous words. So let me give you today's word of the day. Okay. Anybody can guess today's word? Pranjali, thank you. Okay, so now I would like to give today's word. Word of the day is scouring. What is the word of the day? Scouring. Okay, I'm sending you through chat. Check out the spelling. I haven't given you this word before, right? So today's word of, okay, it's sent to only Risha. 1 minute, please stop sending message, because the one who will send it last will get the notification only from my side. Please stop sending for a minute. Now check out the spelling. I have sent through chat. Scouring. Meaning of scouring is, anybody can guess? Anybody out of you would like to guess and tell its meaning? Nobody? Acha, shall I give you one clue? I am speaking a sentence. Tell me out of that. Okay. Yesterday, I scoured the floor. Or my mother is scouring the floor. It's not a snoring. Adhya, it's not a snoring. Snoring means to make noise while sleeping. है ना? It's not a snoring, it's a scouring. Yes, Advita, you are very excited. Tell me.
पोछना.
हाँ, somewhere right, pochna, but something else also, you know. Okay, now let me tell you. Very nice, Advita. You have tried very well, but its exact meaning is to clean or to brighten the surface. Okay, to make something more beautiful, to clean the things. Like one more example, I would like to give. Just a minute. Yes, one more example, like yesterday or today, it can carry. Today I scoured the old pot. Pot क्या होता है? Any big vessel, right? So yesterday or today, वैसे to be honest, yesterday I was scouring my utensils, my old pot. Okay, so I hope everybody got the meaning of scouring, to clean something, to make it brighten. Okay, everybody got? Please show me thumbs up if you have got the meaning. I'm sending you through chat also once. Okay, you can make your own sentences also. Okay, let me send you its meaning first of all. Something by rubbing. Now please everyone check. I have sent you the meaning also. To clean or brighten the surface of something by rubbing. Okay. Fine. Now let's start revision of. No, today is your test. Everybody remember? We did revision day before yesterday of chapter 2. Right? So today is your test. Arsh, speak. Arsh, want to say something? Anshdeep, wait, I'm sending. So everybody is sending message, ma'am. You are looking beautiful. Thank you, everyone. Yes, Anshdeep, speak. What are you saying?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, हम टेस्ट में पेन से लिख सकते हैं.
Anshdeep, you know I haven't heard a single word. Speak in English again.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will write with pen.
Speak again.
Test. Ma'am, I will write in test with pen.
With pen. Why?
Yes.
Why, beta? Abhi you are in class 3, right?
Okay, ma'am.
When you'll come to class 5, then you can start doing with it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Abhi, like you can use the eraser also. No, that is, you people make many mistakes. So right now you should write with pencil only. Okay. Okay. Tell me everybody.
Ma'am, pen will write with the pen. Ma'am, my handwriting is very अच्छी होती है.
Very beautiful. You can say neat and clean or anything. You don't say very अच्छी. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Beta, today you can't write with pen for my test. Okay. In rough notebook, you can do practice with pen. Okay. Okay, everyone. So everybody is ready, I guess. Vivan, last query I am taking from you. Then I am going to begin the test. Speak, Vivan.
Ma'am, that you have tell us that sentences of chapter 2 we have to write that ones or we have to write our own
Sentences. Which sentences you are talking about?
Ma'am, frame sentences
Acha, Vivan, what is the test today?
of chapter 2,
Which chapter 2?
the magic garden.
No. That day we revised which chapter? Singular, plural, right?
Yes,
So
I
which
forgot.
gave you?
I also remember, but I forgot now words.
Okay, okay. Now only you forgot, but वैसे you remember, right? Okay. So now I am sharing my screen. Vivan, it will be better if you will make your own sentences in literature test. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Everyone be ready. I'm just going to display the screen. Fine. Can you see my screen? Okay. See, everyone, in the beginning, there are 4 MCQ questions, multiple choice questions. For each question, you have 4 options, right? But you have to take care of the spellings you have learned. I spellings. So here you have to take the correct spelling. Okay. And in the second question, you have to write the plurals for these words. Okay. So start doing.
Ma'am,
Yes, Advita, speak.
we have we have to write only answers.
In the MCQ questions, write only answers. Okay. Only the correct answer you have to mention.
Okay.
And everyone, please stop doing the things you are doing on my screen. Okay. Stop annotating. Stop using pen pencil on my screen. Frankly, my voice is cracking. I hope you are able to see my screen. You can start the test. Everyone, start doing. Everyone, have you done the second question, second tick mark? This is X actually. Sorry, F is misprinted. Anshdeep, I can't see your video. I can only see the fan. Natik Arora, where are you? You have not started yet. Where were you, Natik?
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you? You have not started the test.
मैम हम बुक लेने गए थे वो नोटबुक
Natik,
मैम हम नोटबुक लेने गए थे
speak in English. I'm saying Natik.
मैम गोइंग तो
You went to bring the notebook.
नो मैम
Okay, now please start doing. Pankhudi, I can see your notepad only. Adjust the camera. Pranjal Kuwar, are you doing? Pihu, Arush is sitting with you. Yes, Pihu.
Ma'am, Arish not fitting me. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Sanraj,
मैं कर लूंगी.
सराज तुझसे पूछ ली मैंने.
Sanraj, we have not started yet.
दिखाना.
कुछ नहीं है इसमें.
Sanraj, we have not started yet. What happened?
क्या था मैम ने? Yes, ma'am.
What happened? You have not started yet.
Started. देखिए क्लास आपको आईडी डालनी आती है. आईडी डालनी पड़ेगी.
Sanraj, mute yourself. I have muted. Very nice. I have started getting the pictures. Very good, Arman. Arman has sent. Good. But Arman, these are only starting 4 questions. Send me the picture of the whole test together, okay? I have got from Rizak Jot. Very nice. Very fast. Rizak Jot, check out the second part again. Okay, those who are sending, ma'am done, please start sending the pictures. Okay, this is why I have not taken a very big test so that you can complete within the given time. Okay? And please don't cheat, don't take help of anyone. Avarpal? Avarpal, what happened? Doing?
अरे बेटे बच्चा इतनी जगह नहीं खरीदी का है मैम का मैम ma'am Avarpal will send his work after some time because my phone is engaged with my daughter.
Okay,
She
ma'am,
has-
no issues, no issues, you can send it later on.
Okay ma'am, yeah, ma'am you can see he has done it.
Okay, fine, no issues, ma'am, you can send it later on.
Okay, thank you.
Divyansh? Divyansh? Unmute yourself once, Divyansh. I want to talk to you. Divyansh, you have learned these. You know the answers. You are not audible, Divyansh. Last time you have not done very well, okay? Please try to do it nicely today. Manav, Risha, Mohak, I am not able to see your video. Please turn it on. Okay, Mannat. अच्छा रक्षित सैंडेड नहीं होता बेटा, ठीक है. यू हैव रिटन आई हैव सैंडेड यू. ओके, सैंडेड नहीं होता, इट्स सेंट. सेंड की पास्ट फॉर्म सेंट होती है, लास्ट में टी आ जाता है. ओके, SENT, सेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम टेक केयर. Yes, I have received for many students, Pranjali, Darshika, Paramveer, Vivan, Sachi and Medhavi, Rakshit, Mannat, Adhya, Pankudi, Sabha, almost all of you you have sent. Good. Akshat, nice. And who's this? This is, I guess, Sahaj. Yes, Sahaj, I have received. Vivan, I have received your message, but I have not checked the sheet. Okay. Sia? Sia, are you able to do unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please do it yourself. Don't take help of anyone. Okay? कर्तव्य अरोड़ा, done?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैंने तुझे क्या पढ़ाया, क्या तुझे समझ में आया?
रोही, Kushi Prajapati, doing it yourself now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't take help of anyone, okay?
Okay.
I can see your mama at the back. Are you sure she is not helping you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, I was just kidding. I know. Sartaj,
That, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
done? Test done?
Ma'am, only last answer.
Okay, very nice. Do it fast and send it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anit, Anit, are you there? I can't see your picture. I can't see your video. Yes, now you are visible. Done, Anit? Anit, before speak, you have to unmute yourself. Parth Goyal, you are not there? If everybody has done, shall I stop sharing the screen? Still many are left, I guess. Please do it fast. Advita, you have raised hand. You want to say something? Shika, done?
Yes, ma'am.
You were knowing all the answers? Was there any issue, any problem you faced?
No, ma'am.
Everything was fine. Was it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Good. Rizak Jod,
Yes, ma'am.
you made many mistakes last time in that male and female chapter, right? So this time I hope you have done well.
Yeah.
Okay. Sabha, I can only see the clothes hanging on the top. Yes, please adjust the camera properly, okay? I'm teaching you here, not your clothes hanging on the wire, okay? If
Yes,
everybody
ma'am.
has done, kindly show me the thumbs up. Who is unmute, please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I stop share the screen, please, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, I'm stop sharing it once. I hope everybody has done now. Okay, so tomorrow we will revise the chapter 1, common noun and proper noun. Okay, before coming to class, I would suggest you to revise the chapter once, to go through it once. Okay, because tomorrow I will be asking questions from you people. Okay, everyone? $12:15. Okay. Medhavi, you have done now? Last time you were left.
मैडम बुला रही है।
Medhavi,
Yes, ma'am.
you have done?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, last time you were left now, so I thought to ask you. Okay, I hope everybody has done. If anybody is left, you can let me know. Okay. Yashraj, I can't see your picture since the beginning of the class. Please turn your video on. Every day your video is off, beta. You wait for ma'am to tell you to turn on your video. Yashraj. Fine, leave it. Everyone, you have 3 more minutes to send the pictures.
3 मिनट में सेंड पहले ही कर दी। पे वो लग रही हो मम्मी ने।
Thank you, Rizak Jyot. I have seen your messages now. Tell me the meaning of gorgeous, Rizak Jyot. Rizak Jyot, tell me the meaning of gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
See, only 3 minutes are left, so I don't want to start any new thing. You want to interact with me? You want to say something? You want to share any query? I am sending you the homework in chat also. Check out, revise chapter 1, common nouns and proper nouns. Okay, if I am not audible to some of you, can check the message. Khushi, you want to say something? Okay, wait. Khushi, speak.
Ma'am, I have sent you my test.
Yeah, I have seen.
Thank you, Baba.
Thank you, ma'am.
My pleasure. Yes, Mannat, speak.
Ma'am.
Hmm.
या तो ओके या तो थैंक यू बोलना
Ma'am,
चाहिए।
ma'am, my father has gone. No one had the books.
Speak again.
Ma'am, my father has gone to take the books of English grammar.
Okay.
Ma'am, Ajay Pustak Bhandar have not the books.
I guess Siddhanas have. Actually, Mannat, this thing I also don't know.
Okay, ma'am.
The name of the bookseller I don't know. वैसे Akshat has purchased from Siddhanas. Okay, so you can ask him to check there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Piyush is saying to share the screen one more. Piyush, only 1 or 2 minutes is left. Do it fast. I have shared again. Are you able to see the screen, Piyush? Do it fast, beta. Akarsh Goyal, done. Everyone, please send the pictures because I am also making a record. Akarsh Goyal, you are not there? Yes, Mukul, speak beta. Mukul, speak.
Ma'am, I have signed in your number.
Acha, wait, let me check. Yeah, if you have sent, no, I have not received, Mukul.
Papa received.
Check whether your net is on or not. Check once. I have not received. Mukul, listen. Have you sent from any other number? Okay, I have received from your father's number. I have received, Mukul. I have received. Piyush, done. Adra. Adra. Are you there, Adra? Are you listening me?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you are making very beautiful drawings nowadays. From whom you are learning? Somebody is helping you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, those drawings are very beautiful. Even I can't make like this. Keep practicing, okay?
Okay.
Those are beautiful. I haven't seen these many drawings before.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Keep practicing, okay? Rest of you, keep practicing of drawing. See, Adra is making beautifully now. And after drawing, do share with me. Okay? Tachi, do you want to say something? You are unmute, Sachi. You can share.
Ma'am, I have sent you the work.
Okay, I have received.
Okay.
Okay, now the time is over. Even I have taken extra time. I hope Piyush you have done now. Okay, everyone. So do Anshdeep, Manas, you want to say something? Just wait. Speak, Anshdeep.
Ma'am, I will send the work.
Okay, don't worry. Those who have sent, I have received. Okay? Manas.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Manas, tell me what happened.
Ma'am, you have received my work.
Let me check. वैसे I have received for everyone. Those who have sent, I have received.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
तो मानस दूध पियो.
Manas, please drink milk.
तो कह रहे कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत तो आराम
मैम,
लगता
Don't annoy your friends.
मैम, मुझे जुकाम है.
Speak in English. I'm
Ma'am,
suffering from cold.
क्या?
Ma'am, I drink the haldi milk.
Okay, this time you are drinking. Avarpal, yes, speak. Oh, Avarpal, I'm really sorry. I have made class 3 as a host. I'm not able to unmute you.
है?
Avarpal, are you there?
अंदर. अच्छा. हाँ.
चलो गरम ठंडा हो गया।
निमाया हो रहा है पीले में, क्या पीले तेरी से मिक्स कर ले।
अरे मलाई है।
मलाई नहीं है तो मलाई आएगी बेटा, रखे रखे इसमें हटा दो लो। मैंने कहा फिर या तो चले तो फिर अलग अलग से एक दो दिन मारना।
Good morning, everyone. वो स्टैंड नहीं है टोकरी वाला जो साइड में पड़ा है, उसमें किताबें पड़ी हैं, ऊपर पड़ी है, उसमें आ गया है। Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Beta, if you people are raising hand for the previous class, then please lower down, and if you are doing for right now, then I'll unmute. Okay? Avarpal? Avarpal?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion? You have raised hand.
What, ma'am?
Any confusion is there? You have raised hand.
Ma'am, no.
Okay. Okay. Ash, you are not getting unmuted, beta. I'm trying. Any confusion? Yes, Ash. Ash, any confusion there? Is there, beta? Okay. Anshdeep,
Ma'am.
any confusion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
IE.com का मतलब क्या होता है?
I.com.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm listening for the first time. I.com. मुझे ये तो पता है gmail.com क्या होता है. It's a URL address for the ID.
Ma'am, IE comma. Ma'am, IE आंसर में लिखा है.
अच्छा, I.E.comma. That is हम that is को short form लिखते हैं, उसकी abbreviated form होती है ये. ठीक है, that is. ठीक है, that is. Okay.
Ma'am, हमको confusion.
Okay बेटा, no problem. Okay. Okay everyone, so today we are going to start up with the new unit of GK, that is unit word. आज हमारा unit है word, about the whole word. Okay, and today the chapter will be going to study is countries. Okay, we'll be going to study about different countries, okay, and their capitals. Okay, first, before starting with the whole word, I am going to just tell you that in which country do we live. All of you know we live in India. Okay, we live on the earth, planet earth, and it has 7 continents. Okay, 7 continents है, 7 continents. Which are they? कौन से continents है? Asia, Africa, South America, North America, Antarctica, है ना, Australia and Europe. Okay, these are the 7 continents, and these 7 continents have total number 197 countries. Wait. Yes, Rakshit. Yes, Rakshit. You raised hand, beta. Wait, Arshnoor. Give the digital thumb beta's hands, because sometimes we're not able to see your screens every time. Na? Do the digital hand raise. Rakshit, any query? Your voice is not audible.
एक्सक्यूज मी
हाँ जी, हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम हम कॉन्टिनेंट्स बताने के लिए हैंड रेज कर रहा था.
Okay, okay. Try to speak in English, but yes. So 7 continents are there: Asia, Africa, Europe, America. That is 2. North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. And the largest continent, that is, which is the largest continent? Can anybody tell me? Largest continent? Avantika has raised hand. Wait, Avantika. She lower down now. Which is the largest continent, everyone? Nobody knows. Which is the largest continent? In which continent do we live? Avarpal. Wait. Yes, Avarpal. In which continent do we live?
मैम एशिया.
Okay. Is it the largest one?
यस.
Yes. So Asia is the largest continent, and we live in the southern part of Asia. हम south part में है Asia के. ठीक है? Our country lie in the southern part of Asia, and which is the smallest continent.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ जी साची. Yes, Sachi.
मैम इट्स ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
Yes, it's Australia. So let me tell you all the continents according to it. Okay. Asia,
Okay.
Africa, second is Africa, then North America, then South America, then
America.
Antarctica, Europe,
Yes.
and last one is Australia. Okay. So these are the continents by its. Okay. Now, some people have, yes, some people have given the answer. Okay. Now we live in India. We live in the southern part of the countries. So which are our neighboring countries? Can anybody tell me the neighboring countries of India? Advita, can you tell me the neighboring countries of India? Some, at least, some neighboring countries of India. Can you tell me?
पाकिस्तान,
Very
चाइना,
good. Very good.
बांग्लादेश.
So let me ask to other people also. Hana? Well tried. Well tried, Advita. Yes, Akshat.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me some neighboring countries. You raised hand.
China,
Hmm.
Sri Lanka,
Hmm.
Nepal,
Very good.
Pakistan.
Very good. Well tried. Chalo. Okay. Let me ask to other student now. Utkarsh. Utkarsh, do you know the neighboring countries of India?
China,
Very good.
Afghanistan,
Very good. Afghanistan. Wonderful. Huh?
Myanmar,
Myanmar. Okay. What else?
Australia,
Australia? No? Okay. Chalo, well tried. No problem. I'll tell you. Okay. And I'll tell you the capitals also. At least you should know the capital of your neighboring countries. Okay. Afghanistan. First, you should know the neighboring countries. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, okay, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka and Myanmar are two neighboring countries that are neighboring countries through sea. ठीक है, सी से कनेक्टेड है हमारे. ठीक है, आपने देखा ना श्रीलंका लास्ट में जाके एक पतली सी लाइन, थिन लाइन, दैट इज सी, दैट इज कनेक्टेड बाय सी ओनली. ओके, what is the capitals now? You people can write in your notebook if you are having a diary or a pencil with you. Okay, you can write the capitals. Okay, write the capitals. Okay, write the neighboring countries and the capital. Part Goyal. Yes, Part, do you want to tell something? Or you want to ask something?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, Part, there is so much of disturbance from your back. Please tell. हाँ जी बेटा बोलो. Beta, your voice is cracking and just creating so much of disturbance. Ask your brother to be aside, brother or sister. Wait. Yes, Mohak, you want to tell something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So write the first neighboring country, Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Then write Bangladesh. Okay. Write line by line because we'll write the capitals also. This is for your general knowledge. Okay. Like Afghanistan, then Bangladesh, then Bhutan, 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 then China, then China, then Nepal. Sachi, you're not writing? Then Nepal, then Pakistan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, SRILANKA, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar, MYANMAR. Okay, I'm now telling one by one. Okay, capitals, and I'm sending through chat to everyone. Okay, I'm sending the capitals and the countries through chat so that you should know the spelling as well. Afghanistan's capital is Kabul. Okay, Kabul. 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 Anshti, wait, beta.
मैम हमको
Yes, Anshdeep.
मैम हमको सारी कैपिटल्स याद है. Ma'am,
Okay,
all
but you need to write also. I'm sending you the next. Bangladesh, Dhaka. Bangladesh, Dhaka. Dhaka. Bangladesh, Dhaka. Okay. The next I'm sending Bhutan. Bhutan, that is Thimphu. Thimphu. Thimpu. Thimphu. Himansh, right? Piyush. Yes, Manav. Okay, okay, I know. You people are intelligent. China. I know you people know. Beijing. 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 Then Myanmar. You should know at least. Oh. China. Beijing. Okay. Then Myanmar. Myanmar. Then Myanmar is Neputho. Neputho. And then Nepal, Kathmandu. Kathmandu. Pakistan, Islamabad. Pakistan, Islamabad. Okay. The last, that is Sri Lanka, Colombo. Sri Lanka, Colombo. At least you should know the capitals of your neighboring countries. Okay. Colombo. Adra, you're not writing? Write the capital I've sent through the chat, beta. Everyone write, and then we'll start with the worksheet. Okay. I'm taking the attendance till the time. Okay. Now I'm sharing the worksheet. Okay, we'll do through that. Okay, Vivan. Okay, Vivan. Okay, I'm now sharing the screen with you. And you need to, if you know the answer, you need to raise the hand. Okay. Okay, Midhavi. Now it's audible. Do not annotate, beta. It will be, you will not be able to see anything. Stop disabling, annotating. Are you able to see the screen? Give me a thumbs up, quick thumbs up if you're able to see the screen. बेटा पेंटिंग क्यों बनानी है प्रांजलि? Is it a painting class? Who is this? LH. Beta, this device name LHIGK. Who's this? LHIGKI. Attendance will not be marked due to your device name. Rename your device. Are you able to see the screen? Give me a thumbs up if you're able to see the screen. Okay. Digital one. Yeah, Adra has given me the digital one. Okay. Soumya also. Okay. Okay. So you need, it is a crossword puzzle. You need to fill the puzzle according to its number from here and put the name here. Okay. Okay. The language, you need to tell the name of the countries whose language is Greek. The language of this country is Greek. Himansh, you cannot see. There is some, I think so, network issue from your side because everyone is able to see, beta. Himansh, network issue. Know the answer? Anybody knows the answer? If you know the answer, can give the answer through chat as well. Two people raised hand. Let me see who are they. Pranjali raised the hand. Yes, Pranjali?
Ma'am, German.
No. No, Pranjali. Anybody else? Okay, I'm getting answer. Germany people speak German. Pranjali, not Greek. Avarpal raised hand. Avarpal, you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak then.
Ma'am, Greece.
Okay. Let me ask to Mannat also. Yes, Mannat, you know the answer?
I'm German.
No, Germany people speak. That is Germany people speak German. The language our pal gave the right answer. That is Greece. And where you will write the Greece? Here you will write the Greece. Wait. Here you will write Greece. Okay. In all the blocks you will write Greece. Okay. Now next question. That is the capital of this country. It's Jakarta. The capital of this country is Jakarta. Which country's capital is Jakarta? Vivan, you know the answer? No? Rakshit, Moha, Kartavya. Okay, Yashraj has raised hand. Wait. Many people have raised hand. Let me check. Yashraj, you're not getting unmuted, beta. Manas has raised hand. Yes, Manas.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Now it's coming.
Yes.
Mukul has given answer, but Mukul spelling you have written wrong, beta. Mukul has given answer, but spelling is wrong. Please mute yourself, Manas, now. Akshat knows, I think. So Akshat is raising hand. Akshat,
Indonesia.
the capital of this country.
Indonesia.
Yes, Indonesia. INDO. I'll send the spelling through chat. Okay. To everyone, I'll send the spelling through chat.
सुनते ही नहीं हो कि क्या बोल रही है मैम?
INDONESIA, Indonesia. Okay, very good. Mute yourself, everyone. Those who are unmuted, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself, everyone.
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही मैम की.
Please mute yourself, beta.
वो जना जब सच बता रही इतनी मार खाएगा ना.
Ma'am, please mute yourself. Then you can speak anything. Okay. Next question is, the people of this country are called Nepalis. कौन सी कंट्री के लोगों को हम नेपालीज बोलते हैं? Everyone, this is easy one. Okay. Yes, Nepal. Very good. So the answer is Nepal. You will write Nepal here across. Okay. Here. You will write Nepal here. Wait, let me put the spotlight here. Here you will write Nepal. Okay. Next question is, Tokyo is the capital of this country. Which country's capital is Tokyo? कौन सी country की capital Tokyo है? Please mute yourself first of all, everyone. Those who are unmuted by mistake. Okay, I'm getting the answer through chat also. Arnav has given, our Pal has given, Mukul has given the answer. No. Antara has given the answer. Very good. I'm getting the answer. Correct answers I'm getting. That too. Let me check who is raising hand. Pranjali is also raising hand.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Japan.
Pranjali. Japan. Very good. Now you can mute yourself. Everyone, those who have given answer through chat, I have taken the names. Very good. Wonderful. You have given the right answer. Japan. Arohi, correct. Soumya, correct. Japan. Rakshit also given. Arohi also. Arnav Singh also. And Akshat also. Antara is, achha, she is given for before one. Avarpal also. Very good. Well done. Okay, now let's come to the side of down. अब हमें down वाले answers देखने हैं, ठीक है? Okay. The capital of this country is Berlin. किस country की capital Berlin है? The capital of this country is Berlin. इस country की capital Berlin है. Which country's capital is Berlin? Tell me the answer. Wait, let me check the chat box. Some people have given the answer. Okay, Akshat has given me the answer, and that to the correct one. Okay, Mukul, give the answer. Adra has raised hand. Yes, Adra, you know the answer?
Ma'am,
Try, हाँ जी बेटा.
I have raised my hand in 9th question.
Okay, okay. You don't know this one, but Avantika,
Yes.
you know the answer, Avantika? Okay. Advita is raising. Advita, you know the answer? You know the answer? Wait. Wait, let me unmute. You know the answer?
No.
Which question I'm asking about? Advita?
NA.
Okay, mute yourself. Mute yourself, those who are unmuted. Okay, some people have given me the answer through chat. Let me check the chat box also. 2 people have given me the answer, Soumya, Mukul and Akshat. They've given the answer Germany. That is correct. Okay, so the capital of Germany is Berlin. Okay, please mute yourself, beta. So the capital of Germany is Berlin. Okay. Yes, Pranjali also now gave the answer. Okay, the country is well known for its pyramids. कौन सी country में सबसे ज़्यादा आपको pyramids मिलते हैं? Sunraj, what kind of faces you are making? Sunraj. Sunraj.
कलरफुल ये देखो कलरफुल है पूछ रही है
Okay. Tell me the answer through chat. Those who know the answer can give the answers through chat as well. I've got 2 answers. Oh, I've got one only. Arnav, from Arnav, I've got the answer. Anybody else knows? Which country is famous for its pyramids? And the Great Pyramid of Giza is also here. The Great Pyramid of Giza is also here. You know what is pyramid? आपको पता है pyramid क्या होता है? You know what is pyramid? These are big building kinds of made for the kings. Okay, ये बड़ी बड़ी buildings होती हैं made for the kings of this place. ठीक है? Or for the gods. So I've got the right answer. No China, not China. No, time is not okay. Time is over. I'll just take 2 minutes more. So the country that is famous for pyramids is Egypt. Okay, so you will write the answer. Wait. Egypt. Okay, you'll write the answer here. Okay, down here. You will write the answer. Are you able to see the spotlight? Here you will write the answer. Now the country that has largest population. Which country has largest population? China. Okay, so China is the largest populated country in India. And the second largest populated country is our own country, that is India. Okay, now, yes, the largest country in the world. सबसे बड़ी country कौन सी है पूरे world में? Russia. And our country, India, is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay, this is the 7th largest country. Yes, Arnav, you're right. And Akshit, you're also right. Russia. Now, Brasilia is the capital of which country? Brasilia कौन सी country की capital है? Fine. It is capital of Brazil. Okay. I hope you all have got the answers. Okay. And now see in the fact, quick facts will quickly do. जल्दी से हम quick facts पढ़ लेते हैं and let us know what are these. Okay. The alternate name of Tuticorin is Tutkudi. Okay. What is this Tutkudi? It is a port city in Tamil Nadu. Port city क्या होता है जहाँ पे ships load और unload होती हैं वो वाली city जहाँ पे ships land करती हैं या उनका place होता है ठीक है जहाँ से वो load और unload करती है. So Tutkudi is a port city in Tamil Nadu. Now Kochi. Kochi. Where is Kochi? Can anybody tell me? Where is Kochi? It is a city in India. It is a southwest city. Okay. In Kerala state, Kochi. Okay. It is also a port city. Okay. Kochi is often known as Ernakulam. Okay. So it is known as Ernakulam. That is also a port town. Okay. So these were the two facts. Okay. I hope you enjoyed today's session, everyone. I'll share this worksheet with you. Now, learn the worksheet that we have done priorly. Chapter in next class, I'll take test of, okay, quiz-like questions of with GK oral quiz-like question. We'll unmute one by one, everyone, and we'll take a quiz. Both the chapters, okay? आपको learn करने हैं. We'll take a quiz. Either it can be written also, oral also. So be prepared accordingly. ठीक है? Of Akshat, Unit 1, that is space, and chapter number 1 and 2 both. Okay, moons and Earth and the universe. दोनों आपको learn करने हैं. In the next upcoming class, I'll take a test. Okay, no new chapter. We'll take a test before, then we'll take do the next chapter. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. Bye. Bye. Take care. Enjoy your day. Have a good day.